Hello everyone, how are you doing? The rest of the data, as I always say in my videos, will be down in the description. This video today, by the way, my name is Daryl Guberman. For those people who come to the channel who are new, nice to meet you. Just click and become a permanent member. And this video today is the reality of Kangaroo Court in today's legal system. QA expert Daryl Guberman exposes the courtroom through a cartoon and a lawyer's letter. Yes, we dealt in the legal arena for a little while, for 3 years, and we won the case. But nevertheless, it was a shill for ANSI ANAB without a doubt, because we have an email from a higher-ranking official at ANAB said, "We know him best. He is a force to be reckoned with." Actually, he said, "I know him best, and he is a force to be reckoned with. And we at ANAB take anything that he complains about seriously, but I beat him." Isn't that a tender moment in a federal courtroom? But let's continue on. I received an email from a lawyer of 40 years. He wrote me this email because I guess he was confessing to me. I guess he figured I'm a nice guy, what the heck, but he wrote me. And this is what he said. This happened about 4 years ago. He sent it to me, and he said, "Daryl, I think very carefully before I say or do anything in the legal arena, not only because I represent other people and can make them look bad, but because I am a professional who understands how the world really works." And this is the kicker. Nearly everything you see when litigating in any court, federal or state, is an illusion. In the political world, we call it blue smoke and mirrors. Merriam-Webster stated the definition of blue smoke and mirrors as something intended to disguise or draw attention away from an often embarrassing or unpleasant issue. When dealing in the court that we've dealt in, and I will say this is the cartoon that basically exemplifies the federal and state courtrooms. It really does. And here it is. And it's saying, "Can we just for a moment, Your Honor, ignore the facts?" And that's the way it is. And the judge falls for it time and time and time again, because business owners and my fellow citizens, the judge is the CEO of the court, and the plaintiff and defendant's attorney are working for the judge. So that's why in the legal arena, it takes years and years to get through a case, because the judge wants to make money, not only for the court, but also for his employees, the plaintiff and defendant's attorney. The final thing I'm going to tell you is that in the realm of legal system that we have here, I think it would have been better for, the old Wild West where they take you out and hang you. Sometimes they hang the wrong guy like they do today in this world, so even with a judge, you still can get hung. We have issues in court when it comes to laboratory verification, forensics, incorrect laboratory data, fixing the data in forensics labs. The FBI lab in 2015 got caught for improper laboratory procedures. And I bring this out to fact because the same laboratory failure that they were having in forensic labs is the same failure that they had in Wuhan, China. And I've said that before. I'm not going to go into detail, but you can find the videos down below. Just Google Wuhan, China on my YouTube channel. Just Daryl Guberman, look me up, and you'll see that. So I'm going to stop here. I find it interesting in our court system that it takes forever. When I was involved with my case, it took 3 years. 3 years. He had 300 and some odd allegations, and it came down to the factor that I did not have control over anything that was being supposedly done to this person. And I'm going to leave it at that. 203-556-1493 or Daryl, DARYLTQRS @yahoo.com. And the final thing I'm going to do is I do this poll many times because this explores the court system that we're in, the legal system, both federal and state. And this goes for the judge and the plaintiff and defendant attorney, where you have a statistical analysis was done, and both the plaintiff and defendants claimed 85%, when asked, said that they felt that their lawyers colluded together, buddies, especially in big money cases. It is impossible to comprehend the moral mischief, if I may so express it, that mental lying has produced in our society. When a man or woman has so far corrupted and prostituted the chastity of their mind as to subscribe their professional beliefs to things they do not believe, they have prepared themselves the commission for every other crime. You can contact me at 203-556-1493 or Daryl, Daryl, TQRS @yahoo.com. I thank you and have a wonderful day.